Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X3 GT and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then tap on About Phone. Here let's enter backup and restore option and scroll down until you will see this Google backup section. Then let's tap on backup account, and here we've got the section where we can add the account, and make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required. From this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it, and a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address because after tapping on next your device will autofill it. So here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And here we've got the information about the backup with the Google one, so you're able to use 15 GB of the account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details if you want to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically whenever you will be connected with the Wi-Fi. Will of course store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want. So just tap on turn on. And basically, as you can see, we've got this Google account added. So from now on, your device will simply back up the data and store it on this account. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.